హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు పీవీఆర్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనకు ఒక ఫ్లాట్ అమ్మకానికి వచ్చింది రాజమండ్రిలో. మంచి ఫ్లాటు, సూపర్ ఉంది ఫ్లాటు. సో దానికి సంబంధించిన వీడియో మనకు ఓనరే తయారు చేసి పంపించాడు. సో ఆ వీడియో మీరు ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఆ ఫ్లాట్ నచ్చినట్టయితే మా నంబర్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంటుంది, మాకు కాల్ చేయండి. పీవీఆర్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ని ఒకవేళ మీరు ఇప్పటివరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్టుంటే వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మేము పెట్టే ప్రతి ప్రాపర్టీ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రావాలంటే దానికి గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక గంట సింబల్ నొక్కండి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఆ వీడియో చూడండి.
Flat number B102 La Flora Apartments, west facing, second block. Now we are entering into the flat. There is a biometric lock. For this is a 3-in-1 biometric lock, finger, code and mechanical lock. In addition to this biometric lock, we have Godrej lock also. Now we are entering into the living room, spacious living room. As we enter into the room, once we enter into the living room, then left side of the living room there is a private swimming pool with the dimensions 4 feet depth, 6 feet width, 20 feet length. We can enjoy in summer as well as rainy season for 7 months. Adjacent to the swimming pool, our flat walkway is there. You can see long walkway, and after that compound wall we have ONGC compound. There is a road, you can see. Zero disturbance, smooth, nice garden we have. And after that ONGC compound we have best price. Okay, we are going back. From here, adjacent to the swimming pool also, you can see one bar counter. I will show you from that end. The swimming pool depth is only 4 feet. It consists of a chlorination filter and a power switch here. Now we are going back into the living room. Here is the view from the pool sitting area into the living room. Okay, now we are into the living room. From living room side, this is the TV unit area. Nice TV unit area with Italian marble backside. Okay, there is a video phone. We have video calling bell come video phone. For whoever comes from outside, we can see here. Now we are going back to the guest bedroom in the first floor. This is right side of the entrance. Left side is swimming pool, right side is the guest bedroom. There is a beautiful wardrobe here of roof height. And attached toilet. Ceiling height tiles are there. There is an attached bathroom on side. We are coming out of the bathroom of the guest bedroom, and we are entering into the kitchen cum dining area. So the kitchen is, once you enter into the flat, come right side of the kitchen, that is Agneya. This is 100 square feet kitchen with open, this is a open kitchen, modular kitchen with a granite platform, roof height granite for platform complete, so that there will not be any stains, and there is a chimney also, Prestige company chimney. And the specialty of this kitchen is we have RO water here. It is a 24/7 RO water used for drinking completely, so no need of water filter here. And adjacent to it, washing tap also. So both are in one sink, beautiful sink. No need of any water filter. Here is the pantry unit. You can see the false ceiling with wooden also, stylish posh ceiling, and attached with the kitchen, the utility area. And adjacent to it you can see the open land which belongs to the ONGC. So now I am water filter. Here is the pantry unit. You can see the false ceiling with wooden also, stylish posh ceiling, and attached with the kitchen, the utility area. And adjacent to it you can see the open land which belongs to the ONGC. So now I am coming back to the kitchen. Opposite to the exactly kitchen there is one prayer room, 4x4 SFT kitchen is there. One person can sit happily and pray nicely. This is the prayer room. Adjacent to it, as I said, there is a bar counter. We can sit some private party, small private party, pool party with bar unit. Right? There is a view. There is a poor view. Right. We are going back. This is the dining hall. Adjacent to this bar counter unit, there is the dining area. Right? Then we are going to the balcony, which is being used as the for washing clothes. We kept the washing machine here. It is being kept here. We are leaving the washing machine here, and here itself after washing you can use it for drying the clothes. And from here balcony there is a beautiful lawn which is used for conducting parties, our family parties, private parties, because exactly beneath my flat there is a banquet hall. There you celebrate the parties and for dinner and everything in this lawn. And parallel to my flat you can see another flat. This belongs to the Rajahmundry MP Mr. Marghani Bharat. Yes, we are going back into the kitchen. So this is about the first floor. It consists of one living room, one private swimming pool, prayer room, kitchen, dining room, one guest bedroom, swimming pool, prayer room, kitchen, dining room, one guest bedroom, one bar counter, one showcase, utility area, and balcony, modular kitchen. Okay, we are now going to the second floor of the duplex flat. You can see the elegant teak wood made steps, double coated polish, which are still having zero complaint. I am going to the second floor. Once you reach the second floor, immediately to the right side there is a master bedroom. The master bedroom cupboards looks like very beautiful, made with high cost money. It looks like each and every cupboard consists of 3 shelves, 2 drawers and 1 bottom shelf. And once I close it looks like that. This is the design. Once I close it, it looks like this is the male cupboard. I am closing the female unit also so that you can see how it looks like a total unit of the this is how it looks like. The both cupboards of the master bedroom, it looks like with a beautiful design. And there is one wall mounted unit also for shelves, any private purpose. This is the cupboard. It looks like this. Okay. Now we are going to the attached bathroom of the master bedroom. Here is the sink, glass, nicely maintained commode and glass separator with exhaust fan. And there is a water heater in the master bedroom. Now we are going to the child bedroom in the second floor. Here is the wardrobe, very strong made. Further, I am going to the another balcony. We have 2 balconies in the second floor, which is being used for drying the additional clothes. If any guests come, from here you can have beautiful look. You can see the best price. Best price. Here is the walkway of our flat. This is the ONGC road, you can see down. Here is the ONGC, and that is best price. And if you can see, I don't know, there from here you can see Delta Hospitals. Rajahmundry is the biggest hospital, Delta Hospitals also. Okay, I'm going back to the second floor. Okay. Room. Here is the sink, glass, nicely maintained commode and glass separator with exhaust fan. And there is a water heater in the master bedroom. Now we are going to the child bedroom in the second floor. Here is the wardrobe, very strong made. When we close, it looks like this. The shape and design. This is the design. It is rooftop till ceiling is there. Complete whole flat is decorated with false ceiling. There is a balcony for this child bedroom. We are entering into the balcony. From balcony you can see this thing, all beautiful garden of the ONGC and best price. And from here you can see the beautiful swimming pool. Our private swimming pool belongs to this flat. We are going back into the child bedroom and child attached bathroom, sink, tile steel ceiling top, there is no glass separator because it is very big bathroom, so no need of any glass separator. Now we are entering into the fourth bedroom. we have one bedroom in the ground floor, 3 bedrooms in the second floor. We are entering into the 4th bedroom. This is a just bedroom only. There is no attached bathroom for this, just simple bedroom. Okay. Then this is the corridor in the second floor. You can see that. Let me show you the corridor properly. Yes. Once you reach the second floor, immediately left side is the corridor, right side is the master bedroom, straight child bedroom. So now through corridor, I am going to the another balcony. We have 2 balconies in the second floor, which is being used for drying the additional clothes. If any guests come, from here you can have beautiful look. You can see the best price.